This is the place where we're going to meet to do our math work and to take attendance. Can anybody tell me what's attendance? Ben, what's attendance?
It's when you see how many people are here today.
Exactly right. Attendance is when you see how many people are here today. Now, who can tell me? Can you move over a little bit so William has some room? Okay. Why do you think it's important to know how many people are here? Why is that important? Alfred, why do you think that's important?
Well, I have to tell you something.
No, is it about attendance?
Well,
So we're talking about attendance now, and if you'd like to tell me something about why attendance is important, I'd love to listen. Okay, so we're not talking about anything else right now? So who can tell me? Why do you think it's important? Paul?
So kids don't get lost.
That's one good reason why it's important. So when we count to see how many there are at one time, we'll get the same number so kids don't get lost. That's a really good reason. Zoe, what's another reason we have to take attendance?
You have to know how much kids are here.
Why? Why is that important?
Because some of the kids might get lost.
I think somebody already said that. And you know what, in kindergarten, it's really important to listen to what somebody else says and not repeat it, but to add new information, okay? Guess what? The lunchroom needs to know how many kids to set up for. They need to know how many seats we need for lunch. You think that's important? Yeah, so it's really important that we send down our attendance to the office and let them know how many kids are here. And there are going to be some days when maybe, and we hope that you're not sick, but and I love the way Sarah is sitting, crisscross applesauce, spoon in the middle. She's focused on math now. She is really focused on math. You might not be here, and we have to tell them in the office that you're not here. It's really important that they know that, and that they'll know how many seats we need for lunch that day. Because you're going to want to have a seat in the lunchroom, aren't you? Yeah. Yes, Natalie. Why do you think it's important?
So the teachers also know to put your chair on the classroom and know where to put your name.
That's so smart. Natalie knows that teachers need to know who's here. So taking attendance is really, really important. So, how do you think we can figure out how many kids are here? Please raise a quiet hand and tell me. Betsy.
By count?
By counting. If you agree with Betsy, put a quiet thumb up. So today, I'm going to go around the circle, and it's easy for us to count when we're in a circle, and I'm going to count. And if you can help me, that would be really great. Are you ready? Excuse me, Celine, I'm sorry. I'm going to count. You ready to help me?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thanks for sitting up. I really appreciate the children that are sitting up. We're going to start again because grown-up children know that it's really important to count every head. And if your head isn't up, I won't know that you want to be counted as here today. So we're going to start again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Wow, raising a quiet hand, Ben. I love the way you did that. What'd you find out, Ben?
That there were 18 kids.
There were 18 kids. So what do you think that means? What do you think that means? And where are your hands, Alexander? Is your spoon in the middle, Alexander? Doesn't look like the middle to me. Look at Paul's hands. His are in the middle. That keeps those hands out of trouble. Thanks. Yours are in the middle too. Your spoon is now in the middle. Good for you. So what do you think about the number 18? What does that tell us?
18
What does that tell us? Tomas.
We have 18 kids.
We have 18 kids in our class. But is anyone missing?
No.
How do we know?
Because
We did count, but how do we know no one's missing? Where can we look to find out if oh, Sarah, show us where we can look. What would we see, Sarah, if someone was not here, if someone was absent? What do you think we'd see? Are there 18 sticks on the chart? How would we know, Sarah? We can count. Would you like to do that? We'll help you if you need some help. But here you go. Sarah's going to try counting the sticks to see if they match the number of kids. This is really, should there be the same number of sticks as there are kids?
Yeah.
Why, Natalie?
Because we count the kids and the kids put on the same number of sticks on the chart.
Oh, so each kid put a stick. So that Natalie says there should be, how many sticks, Natalie? 18. So Sarah's going to check and count. Let's see.
1, 2, 3.
Let's point to the stick that you're counting. That's going to help you, Sarah, okay? Go ahead.
1, 2, 3,
Good job. Go ahead.
4,
Good.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Oh my goodness. What did we find out? Who can raise a quiet hand? Eva, what did we find out?
There
There
was
were 18. There were 18 kids and there were 18 sticks. When we find out that there's the same number, there's a special word for that. Does anybody know what we say? There were, they're equal, aren't they? Yeah, the number of sticks and the number of kids are equal. And Natalie knew that the reason that was is every child in this classroom put in a stick. And if someone isn't here, guess what will happen? What do you think you might see? And raise a quiet hand to answer if someone is absent, if someone is not here. What do you think you might see? Alfred, I love the way you raised your hand. What do you think you might see in this basket?
Your stick is in the basket.
Yeah, why do you think your stick would be in the basket if you're not here?
To tell you you're not here.
Right, because a child wouldn't be here to put their stick up. Yeah. So this is where we might want to look to see if everybody's here in the morning. We might want to look in this basket to see if anybody's stick is left. Right? Okay. So let's all count the sticks together. Ready? Here we go. And we always start at the top.
That was mine.
Right, here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, thanks for waiting and counting as we point, because we count and point together. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18. Good job. So 18 is the magic number for room 231. When everybody's here,
We have 8.
how many children will we have in our class? Everybody.
18.
18. And this is the place we come to do the attendance. And today, we're going to write the first thing we learn on this great big board. Number is going to be a really important number when I write that. Everybody tell me. 18. Good for you. Okay. So I'm going to write there are. Now, when I write there, I need to get my mouth ready when I write there. Stick your tongue out. I need a TH when I write there. There. Are. Now, 18 is a hard number. Can anybody find the number 18 somewhere in the math center? And show it to us without calling out? Thanks. I love the way Celine raised her hand. She didn't call out. Celine, can you use the great big, excuse me, sweetie, yardstick and find the number 18 somewhere in the classroom? Watch the stick, sweetie. Don't point it. There you go. Good job. So, Celine, what 2 digits do you need to make the number 18? What do you...
1 and an 8.
Come on up here, Celine. Would you like to make it for us? Wow. Here you go. Okay. There are 18 children. And I can find the word children right here in the math center and just copy it. Here it is. Here's the word children. Can you tell me the letters I need to write the word children? I'm going to reread what I wrote. There are 18 children in in our class. Cool. Hey, good. Class. Okay. Let's see if we can read this together. Ready? There are 18 children in our class. Now, how many children are here and write the number 18. Again, just like Celine did. Avi, I love the way you raised your hand. Now you're going to write the number 18 right on this line. Good job. Excellent. 18. Children, help me again. Here, like hat. What letter? Avi? Avi, we're over here now. Right. Here. Today, like Tomas. Today. Okay. So let's read this part of our attendance story. 18 children are here today. How many children are absent or not here? Raise a quiet hand. How many children are not here? We call that absent. How many children are absent? Nate.
Absent means,
Yeah, how many children are absent, Nate? 0. Nate, do you know how to make a 0? Come on up. Can you make a 0 on that line? Great, Nate. Terrific. 0 children. I'm going to write children again.
that's a lot of children.
That's a lot of the word children. Are. Thanks if you're looking up here. Absent. Absent. Like Avi and Nissa and Alfred. What letter do I need? Yeah. Absent. 0. Let's read that. Ready? 0 children are absent. Nice job. And every day we're going to do our attendance story, and somebody else is going to get to come up and write the numbers. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little. Good job. Something else we're going to do special in the Math Center. Take a look over here. We're counting up the numbers till the 100th day of school. And when we finally get there, it will be really cool. We are going to count every day that we are in school. And when we get to the 100th day of kindergarten, guess what's going to happen? We have a really big celebration.
Yay!
Who likes celebrations and parties?
Me!
Well, everybody that's a good citizen gets to come to our 100th day celebration. Does that sound like fun?
Yeah!
So we have to start counting because today is what? Day number 1. It's the first day, so you can come, and this is our chart. How many dots do you think are on our chart. William, how many?
1.
You think there's one dot on the chart? How many dots do you think are on the 100th day chart?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Should we count all the dots?
Yeah!
Oh, this is a big, look at all these dots.
I know
Make
what
a
count
big-
to 100.
11.
I can count to 100.
How many? Let's all count together. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's stop for a minute. How many do you think?
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 39, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100!
That big celebration. This whole chart has to be filled with numbers. So you ready to put the first number on?
Yeah!
Okay. If you'd like to put our first number on, please raise your hand. And Eva, I love the way you raised your hand without calling out. See if you can come up and find the first number that has to go in our chart. And good for you. And where do you think it goes? So smart. Today is the first day of school and we put the number 1. Good job. Okay. Who can tell me, what number do you think we'll put tomorrow? Raise a quiet hand without calling out. William, what number?
2.
William thinks 2. If you agree with William, put your hand on your